Every single night, just a few minutes before you indulge in a peaceful sleep, there exists a distinct, quiet moment that you experience. Your body, typically burdened and heavy, experiences a kind of release as it slows down its movements. At the same time, your thoughts become more relaxed, as if they have slowed down to a crawl. You are not yet fully asleep, but you are not quite awake either. This peaceful, quiet moment holds a space of sleep, special significance in the process of getting to sleep. An insight was imparted by Neville Goddard, who called this state the closest thing to sleep you can get. It is not actually a sleep state, but it is not entirely awake either. It is a tranquil moment when your body is at rest, but the awareness of being alive is still present. You had perhaps experienced this before. You remember that fuzzy, serene feeling that sets in before you drift off into a peaceful sleep. Neville taught that when the mind is quiet and still, it is tuned in and receptive. During the day, when you engage in conversations with yourself, it does so in a judgmental and assertive manner. It presents arguments like, "The truth is not true. That will never happen. It's far too hard." Yet when you are in this state akin to sleep, the mind prevails over the inner voice. It does not push back or question. Instead, it simply accepts what is being offered with a sense of peaceful submission. To effectively tap into this state, first make yourself comfortable. Lie down in a cozy position or find a seat to rest in. Your body needs to relax, as it is not active anymore. Feel the weightlessness of your surroundings. Do not need any particular action. Just rest. Now draw upon a small yet gentle feeling that you would find pleasurable, as if it has already taken place. It could be a kind word expressed by someone saying, "May you be happy." It could be a sense of relief. It could be an uplifting feeling of calmness. It could also be a quiet feeling of pride. Stay simple and focused on a single small moment. Do not view it as a movie, but rather let yourself become immersed within it. This quiet moment and gentle sensation lead to a deep rest. The teachings of Neville Goddard indicated that what you ultimately create during this moment shapes the course of your life. The effort and force are not required. Just a peaceful moment and a gentle inclination before sleep can do wonders. This state of relaxation is known as the state akin to sleep. It is both simple and natural. It is an ever-present and accessible treasure within you.